For today's easy buttercream flower tutorial, I will be teaching you how to pipe rainbow roses. To begin, you will need some rainbow buttercream along with a petal piping tip. This could be a number 104, 103, or even a 102, and I'm going to use a number 103. Attach a square of parchment to a flower nail. With the narrow end facing up, rest the wide end against the flower nail and pipe a cone in the center. Pipe a second cone, and we're going to use this as a bud to form our petals around. So switch colors, and then to pipe your first petal, just apply pressure, pull up, and pull back down. You want to make sure that you're overlapping the points where you stopped the previous petal. And as you can see here, you're going to angle in slightly so that you get a nice tight rosebud in the center. Make sure that you're switching colors in between each of these petals. And I've intentionally left green out just because I'm going to add leaves and I don't want it to be too green. For the next layer, I'm going to change the angle of my tip so that it's pointing more straight up and down. That's going to ensure that we have a nice full looking flower. As always, all of these instructions, along with the buttercream recipe and all of the coloring instructions, can be found in the description box down below, so make sure to check that out as well. For the next layer, I'm going to change the angle again, and I'm going to angle it slightly out so that we get a nice full looking rose with a nice ruffled large outer petal. So again, we're going to apply pressure, pull up, and then pull back down to form each of these petals. I'm just going to pipe a couple more here to finish off our rainbow rose. And that's how easy it is to pipe a rainbow rose. These look fantastic on floral cakes and cupcakes. If you have enjoyed this tutorial, I'd appreciate it so much if you would like or subscribe, and I hope that you'll join me next week. Thanks so much for watching.